In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google News Feed on Android. So I'll show you how to turn it off from the home screen, and you can swipe to see it. And I'll also show you how to turn it off in the Google app itself. So to turn it off in the Google app, press on your profile icon in the top right, and then open up the settings. From here, you want to tap on the search and settings menu and then just type discover. You'll see that it comes up automatically. So to turn it off, you simply tap it and it will grey it out to confirm that you've disabled it. So to turn it off from the home screen, what you want to do is tap and hold on an empty part of the home screen and then swipe across, and you'll see at the top it says on. You simply want to tap it and that'll hide it. So that's how to turn off the Google News Feed on Android. Thank you for watching.